Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the super handy passport mobility scooter known as model GUT112. Fully assembled, it weighs only 35 pounds and has a 275 pound weight capacity. We were able to get our hands on this scooter at the MedTrade convention this year. We conducted an interview with our sales representative and learned all about it. And we're going to share all of that with you. Now, I do want to tell you about our giveaway program. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment on any video. And that's it. You could be the next lucky winner of a mobility scooter. We give away mobility scooters and power wheelchairs to random subscribers who comment on our channel all the time. I also want to tell you to pay attention because at the end of this video, you're going to see a hidden message on the screen, and that's going to teach you how you can claim a secret discount code that'll help you save big on your next purchase. Enjoy the video. Hey everybody, it's me, Sergio. I'm here with Chris Blackmore. We're going to give you a presentation of the Passport. It's a super handy scooter. No pun intended, that's the name. Super Handy is the brand. This is the Passport model. Now, before we get started, I do want to tell you about our free catalog. If you want a copy, just click at the green button at the top of every page on our website, mobilitydirect.com. Once you click that button, you'll just be presented with a form, fill it out. You'll get a catalog in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. So, Chris, thank you for helping out here.
Sure.
I'm not familiar with this product. This is a brand new product that we're going to start selling. But I know based off of the floor mat there, it says the weight is 35 pounds and the weight capacity is 275. That's pretty impressive. Could you maybe show me how it folds, how it comes apart, so we can kind of show our audience how it works?
Absolutely. A couple things about that 35 pounds. That includes the weight with both batteries, the battery that it's installed, plus your extra battery off to the side here. So along with the seat, that's with everything.
And the batteries, are they TSA friendly?
They are. Yes.
They are. Okay.
Yep.
What kind of range do you get on the batteries?
You get 6 mile range on each one of them. So then you get 12 total.
And does it come with one battery or two?
It automatically comes with 2.
That's great.
You have one in the motor compartment back there, and you have one on the side.
Awesome.
Always with you to be able to switch in case you're getting low.
Awesome. All right, cool. So
Comes standard with a basket on the front that can be easily removed.
front basket included for free. Okay.
The seat removes.
Just comes right out. Do you have to make sure this latch is unhinged?
You do. This is
Okay.
your tightener. So
Yeah.
that way,
It's like a bicycle seat post clamp.
exactly. Or
Right.
wheel clamps, yes.
Okay, cool.
And then this folds up.
So the folding point's right there, and then it takes a real compact shape.
Strap to connect it to here to keep it tight,
Awesome.
so it doesn't flop.
And when it's in the trunk, it won't flop around if it's secured like that. Okay.
So the other part is you can remove this if you needed to get it even smaller.
So you just got to unstrap that wire harness, and then that whole thing will come out.
Come out and then you can put that down.
Awesome. So it gets into a pretty compact shape, I imagine, pretty much able to fit in the trunk space of almost any vehicle at that point when you've got the handlebar removed and you've got the base kind of folded at that pivot point.
That's good.
What's the top speed on it, by the way?
It's 3.5 miles an hour.
3.5. Not bad. Safe. That's what you want. Something safe.
The 3-wheel scooter.
Yeah, the 3-wheel scooters are definitely a little bit more prone to tipping. Obviously, you have to use your best judgment and slow down when you're taking a turn.
Yep.
But that's nice. So the seat, does it rotate?
Well, it does if you loosen this up,
Okay, gotcha.
but it doesn't.
It doesn't have like a rotation lever. Right, okay.
It's locked.
That's all right. I mean, when you've got something so lightweight, you do have to sacrifice some features to keep it that lightweight, but it seems like it's got a pretty big front basket. Are the brakes automatic?
So you have a handbrake back here
handbrake?
with a compression brake on the rear drive wheel.
Okay, so it's manual brake and you got foot pegs on the front.
Yes. And these can pull up out of the way when you're not using it also.
Awesome. So you've got reverse and drive mode. You got a bell, little bicycle bell, and then a thumb throttle with a battery meter built into the throttle on top,
And
right?
you can either put it in reverse or drive.
Awesome. All right. Well, Chris, I appreciate it. We look forward to ordering some of these in our showroom and doing some like comparisons, learning more about it and showing our audience. So again, this is Chris Blackmore. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks so much, Chris.
Thanks for taking the time.
You got it.